Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to create this presentation and see how it's look like. Okay, you see the transition is so beautiful. Let's try to create it. At first we need to add a new slide. We need to create this slide. This is just two simple text. I copy and paste, nothing more. These things are a little hard to create. Let's try to create them. At first we add a new slide. In our new slide, we insert a text box and write R in it, and we copy that and write G. Okay, wait a little. If your PowerPoint crashed like this, just wait. Don't click anywhere. Just wait, because if you click, it might delete your file. Okay, after that, change the font to impact. Then increase it in size. I'll go with 200. 300, a little more is better, 400. Okay, it's enough. Then after that we need to align them, center, align them the middle, align it middle, align it middle. Okay, now we bring them out like this. Your transition is created, but we need to do something more interesting. We need to add two rectangles from here to here. Just zoom to set everything perfectly. I just say again, if it crashed, just wait. I don't know why it's crashing, but just wait whenever it happened. It's important to don't click anywhere, because when you click, your file maybe is deleted. We send it to back. You see we have a little differences. Let me set it. Okay, then select both of them. Before that, let me just create a copy of select both of them and make them union. And then do the same thing for this. It's maybe not look beautiful, but someone maybe like it. Okay, then after that, you see it's a little, we must zoom in and set it in the perfect way. Select both of them, go to shape and union them. Okay, we select both of them, color them up. You might color them from here, black. We format this thing to give it a little nice shadows. Just wait, whenever this thing happens, just wait. Look at this like a hint for you. It may be happened, but not takes time. Some of the problems, main reason for happening this problem is lack of RAM or CPUs. For me, I think my RAM is complicated. Okay, we created this thing. Let me bring it here, copy the text, paste it here. Okay, everything is created. Now we need to copy this thing, bring them out, bring it out, and go to transition, set the transition to morph for this slide, and for the duration of this slide after 0 seconds. Now let's look at what we created. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and ask me if you need anything in the comments. I will answer you.